We're going to be doing, well, just a review on PSN mods. Is a huge non-USB mod pack. So basically, once you've got this mod pack open, I'll put the link in the description for download. You have on the program files, you've got all of these. These are pretty good. You can mod out your Modern Warfare 3, your Modern Warfare 2, your GTA 5 and GTA 4, CFG Optimizer. I'm not quite sure what that is, but I've been using the MW3 game save data on split screen, and it's actually pretty good. You can get color classes. A big thank you to PSN mods. I like PSN mods, good mods, and MZ bombers as well. It's good. So basically, this is the main file of the PSN mods.